In these video segments, we will describe the content and operation of the Bosch Rexroth Self-Contained Hydraulic Actuator, or SHA Service Kit, part number R961013500. First, let's become familiar with the Service Kit scope of supply. This is the drive unit. The drive unit rotates the integrated spindle within the fluid kit, which will be shown later, and is responsible for filling the SHA system. The filling device, with an internal threaded connection, is designed to secure the fluid kit. The external fluid connection assembly includes an integral 7-micron filter and non-return valve. A threaded cap protects the end. The control electronics unit is required for both power and communications between the drive unit and the pressure switch. It displays power on, the green push button, manual mode, the yellow push button, and filling pressure reached, the small LED. Cable connections to the drive unit and pressure switch are established through these two sockets. A user-settable pressure switch is supplied to determine the preload pressure. The kit also includes a container for collecting excess fluid during bleeding, flushing, and venting. This container is not intended to be used as the sanitary bottle for sample analysis. The micro hose has threaded connections at each end with integral check valves to prevent leakage when not secured to a compatible fitting. The micro hose connects the service kit to the SHA system. The sampling adapter is connected to one end of the micro hose and can be used for bleeding, flushing, and sampling. Other essential components included in the service kit are power supply plug with multi-plug adapter and connecting cables. The cable with the larger diameter M12 4-pin connector connects the control electronics to the drive unit. The cable with the M8 4-pin connector connects the control electronics to the pressure switch. The fluid kit, ordered separately and not included within the scope of supply, contains the approved fluid already filtered, degassed, and ready for use. A fluid kit may be stored in the service kit for future use. Available for purchase kits are displayed for reference. We recommend the service kit instruction manual be stored behind the foam within the top half of the suitcase.